the SEED Crypto Airdrop. That is what I'm talking to you about in this video today. On the home page of the SEED Crypto Airdrop, we have a tree, and this tree is there and has a lot of features beside and around it. So you have the feature where you have inventory, you have the worms, you have the eggs, you have the buds. So if you have mined sufficient crypto or coin, you can buy the bud or buy the eggs or buy the other things. Now, all these things that we're looking at, then there are also tasks you need to do. So you come to the second cursor below, and it shows you different tasks that you can do. There's a login bonus, there's the invite three friends, there's the add this, there's a boost, there's subscribe to seed updates, subscribe to the seed channel, explore top trending airdrops, watch videos, go to Twitter, go to X, go to subscribe to ton channels, and many other things you need to subscribe to, and then you get different amounts of coins that are available. Also, when you move ahead, you can boost. You have the storage boost, you have the three boost, you have the holy water boost. You can boost, then you can invite friends, and when you invite friends, your friends get some amount, and you also get some coin. Then the airdrop is coming up in November 2024. The airdrop for this seed is coming up in November 2024, and then your points are calculated based on the seed income, also based on the friends you invite, also based on the achievement, also based on the seed store, that is the star and the ton. Then also the seed subscription is also used to calculate the what you're going to get. Then add seed to your name. You have to add seed to your name. That also can be used. Now, in terms of withdrawal, the exchanges that are going to be used have not been mentioned. So maybe they're going to use Binance or Bybit or OKX or other exchanges. They have not mentioned. Everything for now is TBA, to be advised. But the on-chain airdrop, I use my Ton wallet and I've already linked it in. So this is just a brief about the seed crypto airdrop which you can maximize. Then also there is a daily claim which you can mine, and it's going to mine for you for about 4 hours or thereabouts. Then after 4 hours you can mine again, and it's going to give you some amount of coin which can eventually be converted to money later. So this is briefly the seed air crypto airdrop. So I want you to go to the link of this video, and the first link there is a link to join the seed crypto airdrop. The seed crypto airdrop. It is very, very good, and there are a lot of lessons to be learned even from the game or from the project or from the interface and playing and taking part. So if you have any question on how to go about it, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I'm going to correspond and guide you further, whether with a video or with some kind of explanations in words. My name is Dr. Lubingadititun, and I'm coming to you on this channel, Dr. Lubingadititun TV. My aim is simple: to help you to learn how to make money both online and offline. And also, I've been teaching how to make money offline for about 2 to 3 years. And many people have come to say, yeah, they will like the business but no money. They like the business but no money. That is why I've come into crypto airdrop, which does not involve you spending money. So take advantage of the seed crypto airdrop. It's going to be listing and they're going to be paying out in November. And I want you to take part in this and make money from it. I will see you in the next video. The link in the description section is the link that leads you to the seed crypto, how you can register. Just click that link and then you click start. It will take you to the next level. I will talk to you in the next video. Before then, this video that's popping up by the side is the next you need to watch right here on my channel. See you in the next one. Bye for now.